Hi guys,
Hello.
this is Julia and Axel from Germany. We'd like to say hello to you. We are with the Alpine Himalaya Club from the National Park. We have a 3 day of hiking with Nima and Bimba, the Sherpa gang. They show us they show us a lot of the different local villages, different meals, and also accommodation and hotels. Super views, and we will always come back to you because we like them. We can do a lot of them, we see a lot of them. Choose your right seasoning for them. That could be a little bit warm sometimes, but we have luck, we have no rain, and for us everything was perfect.
And they every time take care of us.
Yeah. Always have an eye on it. Yeah. And if you want to see where we are and where you can meet the guys, take a look at
It's
this.
the Alpine Club of Himalaya.
Alpine Club of Himalaya. Nice guys. Say hello to him. Greetings from Germany. Thank you very much.